Hi guys, so we just finished Stock Smarts in Taiwan. Here's my wife. I was shocked, no? A lot of people from Taiwan know her. A lot of the Stock Smarts attendees. Thank you so much to those who attended. But check out this video with one of our past attendees on how he's making money from agri-nurture. He's making money using technical analysis. And check out some of the videos of the attendees also on what they say the stock market is and how you can be encouraged to invest as well. Because here's the thing, wherever you are in the world, Dubai, London, Australia, US, Canada, wherever you are, the stock market is for you. You can trade and invest. That's why we travel, that's why we go to whatever place possible, because we want to see more Filipinos invest and trade the market so that it can be done. Whether you're in Asia, whether you're in Europe, whether you're in Australia, whether you're in America, you can trade the markets and you can win. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo, I'm still here in Taipei. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, 1 year after Stock Smarts Taiwan, what did you learn?
I learned a lot, sir.
Talaga? Paano nagbago trades mo mula ng 1 year?
Naging ano na ako, may consideration na yung risk management.
Okay.
Kasama na palagi yung risk management once na nag-enter ako ng position.
Ano yung favorite positions mo so far this year?
Yung
1 year na, halos 1 year na, no?
Right.
Oh, yeah. So,
bali, okay yung ATN, yung bull, tsaka yung COSCO lately.
You bought it because of technicals or speculation?
Technical, sir.
What's your favorite buying and selling technical analysis parameter?
Bali yung BOBO.
Because?
Yung RSI indicators.
Okay.
Pagka maganda yung indicator niya, above 60 siya.
Okay.
Yun yung kinukuha ko. Then yung volume niya over dun sa volume cloud.
Galing. Tapos.
Doon, so magkahanap na ako ng entry point. Then, of course, you have to also put your target price. Okay.
Saan mo binibase yung target price mo?
Yung target price dun sa mga ano niya, yung past high niya.
Okay, galing. Is technical analysis and trading very complicated sa stock market?
Bali sir, marami kasi mga indicators eh.
Okay.
So, as much as possible, just use 2 or 3 indicators.
Okay.
When you try to trade.
Pero pag alam mo yun, inaral mo yun, parang humihirap, sumisimple naman yung stock market.
Sir, sumisimple.
Okay.
Makes your life simple, especially when choosing what to trade and when to trade.
Okay. May current holdings ka ngayon, may current stock ka na hawak.
Yes.
Anong binili mo ngayon?
Yung ngayon, hindi ko pa rin inaalis hanggang ngayon, which is yung, teka, ano ba yun? Yung, wait, ANI.
Okay, oy, ANI.
Yes.
Teka lang. Sobrang ganda ng uptrend ng ANI ngayon, sobra.
Yes.
When the market was going down, ANI was doing very well. Bakit mo siya binili?
Kasi sir, ano eh, yung dynamic resistance, dynamic support niya, hindi siya umaalis.
Okay, so
trending
meaning
siya.
hindi niya nabibreak yung support, uptrend pa rin siya.
Yes.
Pero ito, buong market bearish eh.
Yeah.
Pero why are you making money from ANI?
Because of the, hindi lang sa conviction eh, makikita mo talaga dun sa ano yan, sa chart niya. Yung trend niya talagang strong siya. Yun. So,
and yun yung maganda sa technical analysis eh. If you know how to pick the charts well, kahit bagsak yung market, you can still make money eh. That's why, yung interesting pa doon, hindi mo kailangan maghanap ng mag-speculate or at least tumingin ng mga kung ano-ano, mauubos oras if you try to guess and speculate and look at everything out there. If you look at what the charts is telling you, dun pa lang at least, kasi kung madami ka tinitingnan na charts, meron isa doon na magre-reverse eh. Kung nag-reverse yun, you buy, you stick to it. ANI was one of them.
Right.
And I'm happy na you're doing well from last year.
Yes.
Galing. Any recommendation or any acknowledgement or at least words of encouragement for Filipinos na nandito sa Taiwan na hindi pa nag-invest?
Yeah, actually, do sa mga nandito pa sa Taiwan ngayon, you already have the money eh. No? So, use that money wisely. So, actually, right now is the opportune time to invest in stocks.
Bakit?
Actually, almost all of the stocks already bottom eh. So, ibig sabihin, the next cycle will be going up na eh. it seems like we are ending the accumulation period na eh.
Okay.
So
they should, if you're here, sayang no? Kasi bakit? Madalas ba, ano ba context dito? Sa Middle East kasi, mahilig sila gumastos eh. Dito ba, paano mga Pilipino dito?
Actually sir, mga Pilipino rito natututo din sa mga Taiwanese. They're being practical na tsaka very prudent sa paggastos.
So, not much spending, parang gano'n. They know how to, better yun kasi Pilipino sa ibang bansa, they know how to spend very well. So, Filipinos here, very prudent, they save very well. So, ngayon na lang, takot lang sila mag-invest, gano'n?
Takot lang. So, you said before, yun sa mga previous videos mo, cash is also a position, right?
Okay.
So, hanggat may cash ka, just hold your cash, then pagka may nakita kang opportunity, that's the right time to buy.
So, at least ngayon, encouragement for them is na wag lang sana sila mag-save, pero kailangan nila mag-invest.
Yes. Saving is one thing, but investment is another thing. Right?
How long do you plan to stay here?
Plan to stay here maybe another 10 years, then go for retirement na. I'm already 42, so kaya nag-invest na ako sa stock. So, yun na yung pang-pension plan ko.
Galing. So, that's it, no? Let's follow his story. He attended last year. His portfolio is up, doing well. And it's nice to see stories like this where we see Filipinos who are making money when the market is down and they're doing very, very, very well. Guys, sobrang yaman niya, guys. Sobrang yaman niya. So, that's it for now from Taipei. What is this part of Taipei pa rin?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, to everyone from Taipei, thank you so much. I enjoyed the session. Sayang, I should have videoed it pala kanina, no? But, okay lang. To those who've attended, thank you so much. See you all again soon. And we need more success stories like him who are doing well in the market. So people can believe na pwede pala, you can actually make money, you can actually win in the stock markets. I'll try to put agri-nurture stock here also para makita natin how it's actually moving. No? So that's it for now. Hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye-bye everyone.
Bye.